In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Aircall. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, type Aircall into the search bar. You're looking for the official Aircall website, which should be one of the top results. Click on that link to take you to their homepage. Now that you're on the Aircall site, you'll want to sign up for an account. Fortunately, Aircall offers a free trial, so you can start exploring their services without any initial cost. Look for the Sign Up button or link and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll need to provide some basic information like your email address and a password. This process is designed to be quick and easy, so you should be up and running in no time. Once you've successfully signed up and logged into your new Aircall account, you'll want to direct your attention to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Click on the section labeled Numbers. This is where you can manage all of your phone numbers within Aircall. To create a new number, look for an option that says Create a Number. You can choose to purchase either a local or international number, depending on your specific needs. This flexibility allows you to connect with clients and customers around the world effortlessly. After you've selected and purchased your number, it's important to assign it to a user. This ensures calls are directed to the correct person or department within your team. Find the newly created number in your list and click on the three-dot icon, often referred to as the More menu. There, you'll see an option to edit the number. Click on this and you'll have the chance to assign the number to a specific user. Following the assignment of your number, head over to Call Distributions in your settings. Again, click Edit. This step is crucial because it ensures that incoming calls are routed correctly. Within this section, make sure a user, ideally the one you've just assigned to the number, is set to Ring to. This means when a call comes in, it will ring to their device. Once these settings are in place, you can proceed to your Aircall workspace. The workspace acts as the central hub for managing your communication. In the workspace, navigate to Contacts. This is where all your client or customer contact information can be stored and managed, providing easy access to make calls directly through Aircall. Finally, you're ready to start making calls. Look for the call icon, usually a phone symbol, and give it a click. You're now equipped to make your first call using Aircall. With these steps, you have successfully set up your Aircall account, created a functional phone line, and are ready to enhance your communication. Happy calling!